I got that drip, drip. I'm overseas.
Hey Pink Squad, my name is Barbie Pink Lifestyle, and if you're new swinging through, then welcome. If you want to stick around, then make sure you click that subscribe button down below. If not, then that's cool too. If you're already a subscriber of mine, thank you so much. You guys know that I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And yeah, so today is going to be our Boxycharm video. If you have any other video ideas, then let me know down below. This is my natural hair. I never put heat on my hair. You guys are probably like, Britt, what the heck is going on? Because girl, trust me, I need my ends clipped. That's actually worse than I thought. Let's just hide that. Okay, so we're gonna hide my ends. I can do natural hair videos if you guys want to see how I do protective styles and like where I go, my stylist. I have 2 different stylists that I go to, so maybe I could film there. If you guys would like to see that, let me know. Yeah, but if you like videos like this, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. Also, click that subscribe button down below and leave me any future video requests you may have. Also, let me know your favorite part of the video, your worst part of the video, whatever, girl, whatever. But yeah, if you like videos like this, make sure you keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye! So this box has been sitting on my vanity for about a week, so let's get right into it. I need scissors. Okay, so I don't think that we have scissors, so I'm just going to use my claws. I just got my nails did, so let me go ahead and... Oh, man. If I break a nail on the first day, I'll be so mad. But there we go. So as soon as you guys open it, you guys know it says Boxycharm right there with the hashtag. So the first thing that we pull out is the card, and it says Galaxy Glow. So right off the bat, this is giving me like Fenty Beauty vibes, the whole Galaxy collection. So yeah, and on the back of the card, it does mention the products and the price of each product. In this video, I'm just going to show you guys the product, and I will also swatch the product, and I'll link it down below. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to pull out of the box, it feels like a pencil. It is this vintage pencil by Jessica. I think this is Lieberskind. It looks just like this, and it's a black kohl pencil. So that's really nice. Let's just see how much this is. This thing is nice. Are you serious? It says this little pencil is $21. Wow, I just spit everywhere. But it says this little pencil is $21, guys. It's like literally the size of my hand right here. It's like the size of my hand. So this pencil retails for $21. And let's keep going. The next thing that I pulled out is a Cover FX Shimmer Veil. So this Cover FX Shimmer Veil retails for $28. So let's just... Wow, that's beautiful. It looks just like this. It looks just like this, and I do like the pink shades that are in this, so let's go ahead and swatch it. I don't know how I feel about the smell, but let's just swatch it right here. Wow. That's like really shimmery. The next thing that I found is, what is this? This is a Exfo Lips Plumping Lip Exfoliator. Looks just like that. Doesn't really smell like much, but it's just this, oh, okay, yeah. So it's definitely a nice exfoliator. It feels like cat sand or something like that. So this is a nice lip exfoliator. It retails for $17. Oh wow, this is really, really nice. I love brushes. This actually looks like my, what brushes do I have? What brand is this? Is this e.l.f.? Oh, it looks like my Wet n Wild brushes. So we're not even going to show my Wet n Wild brushes because they're a hot mess right now. These are the Crown Pro Crown Glow Trio Brush Set. It retails for $29.99. So let me go ahead and open it. Oh wow. Really nice. Very soft. Very soft brushes, so I do like these. That's really nice. You can never have too many brushes. And last but not least, there's the Naked Cosmetics Holographic Highlighter Palette. This retails for $39.99. And it's one of those push through palettes, so you just push it through and it comes right out. And let's open it for you guys first so you can see it. Oh, wow. It comes with 6 shades, guys. 6 shades. Let's go ahead and swatch. So there's this one. Oh, wow. That's really pretty. Very pretty colors. They feel very, wow. That's crazy. I'm just going to swatch all of them. Might as well while we're here. Pretty, pretty colors. We're on to the blue. Let's stick that blue like right there. And next we have yellow. I'm going to try to use like a weird spot on my finger. Okay, so let's put this yellow, let's put the yellow right here. Wow. Very, very beautiful shades. Very, very beautiful shades. I am excited to use this palette. So this is really good to have in your kit. I don't have a highlighter palette, so I'm glad that this one came in my Boxycharm. I'll be putting that to use. Also, the last thing that came in the palette is a coupon code if you guys want to use it for Cover FX. It is 20% off. The code is right there, FX Charm, if you want to use that. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, let me know down below. Leave me your favorite part of the video down below. Leave me some tips, tricks you may have. Also, let me know what video requests that you guys may have for me. Leave me a big thumbs up. And yeah, I miss you guys so much. I'm glad that we got to talk and finally do our Boxycharm unboxing. Overall, I really did like this unboxing. My opinion, it was worth the $21 a month that we pay. They sent us 3 brushes. They sent us a highlighter palette. They sent us a coupon code. We got a eye kohl pencil and a lip exfoliator. I could have done without the lip exfoliator if you guys ask me my opinion. I really don't need a lip exfoliator, at least I don't think so. But yeah, so I could have done without that, but overall I'm really happy with my box. So thank you so much, Boxycharm, for always sending us the best products. Like the best products. You guys send us full-size products and we appreciate it so much. So yeah, once again, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you next time. Bye.